Hustler here, another vlog, fun stuff. Let's see what we buy, let's see what we sell in this vlog. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house. And it's the morning, just got done with a bike ride. Actually just got done selling a $1 chainsaw that I found at a garage sale last week. Hey, get out of the plants! Get out of the plants! What are you doing? It was $1 at a garage sale last week, and I just sold it for 60 bucks. It probably needs a little bit of work to get working, but it's a cheap chainsaw. I'll take, $59 in profit. So it sold for 60 bucks. This morning, went on a bike ride, then I got something else to sell in about an hour. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @TheBonafideHustler. And if you want to start doing this, and you want to know 50 items to buy and resell from like thrift stores and garage sales, pick up the free guide. It's the first link down below. You'll enjoy it. In about an hour, someone is going to pick up this Epiphone guitar right here. It's a Gibson AJ Epiphone guitar. I think it's called a AJ100. So really nice condition. I picked this up for 30 bucks a month ago on Nextdoor. Thinking I was just gonna kind of keep it and play it, and played it a little bit, and it's time to sell it for 200. I think that's what I have it listed for. Maybe 180. Either way, it's good cheddar. Definitely gonna get it sold 1 hour from now. All right, the guy's here to pick up the guitar. Let's go. Hey, what's going on? Hey, how are you? So yeah, sold that thing, $170 in profit. Not too bad. It was kind of sad to see it go because it was such a good deal. Probably should have kept it and I could have just sold it for 200 bucks 5 years from now, but it's all good. I got guitars up the wazoo in this house. You can see some right there, there's one over there. I don't know if I need another guitar, so I'm gonna go thrifting right now and do some work at a coffee shop, and yeah, see what we find today. Oh yeah, a couple things. First of all, thank you all for the last video where you hit the like button a bazillion times early in the video, so I'm gonna ask you guys to do that again right now, because I see that kind of stuff, makes me want to film more. Just follow me on my other thing called Bod Damn. That is more fitness and mental health and all that kind of stuff, which all you guys and gals need too. I'm not saying you gotta be jacked and all this stuff and like ride mountain bikes off like cliffs and stuff, but overall general fitness and mental health is super important. So you're gonna find a lot more of that kind of stuff on that channel, and it's stuff that I'm very passionate about. So go check out Bod Damn. It's no link down below. You just go to Instagram, you go to YouTube, and you follow Bod Damn, and you subscribe to it. So go do it. All right, didn't find much that day. We're a couple days down the road, and I'm gonna go thrifting right now. I want to update you guys with a couple things that sold that are kind of cool, notable things. This morning, this neat Electra bike, I think I spent 15 bucks on it. Sold for 80 bucks locally. Was it 15 bucks? It was on a vlog, like 2 vlogs ago. Anyway, little kids, 16-inch wheel Electra bikes and bikes to bucks. That thing sold for 80 bucks this morning. Easy pickup, literally like opened my door, a lady gave me money and like was gone. That was awesome. Also, the RC boat from last vlog or the vlog before, that was 3 bucks, $3.29. That one sold for 80 bucks. So I shipped that one off to FedEx this morning. That was nice. So I want to go find some cool things today, hopefully. And the best thing about hustling is that you just never know what you're gonna find. Also, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. I'm gonna try to crush 5 or 6 thrift stores. I got 2 hours on me today, and we'll see if I find anything. So I just came from the Savers that's right here, and I was walking around the store, and this lady came up to me and she's like, hey, if you know anyone looking for employment, send them our way, and hands me this piece of paper. Now I'm like having trouble, figuring out how I'm gonna throw the paper away. If I should throw the paper away, it's like a moral issue. Like, wouldn't it just be easier just to give me the information? Now there's paper involved. There are trees dying. I don't get it. Am I weird? When people hand you that kind of stuff on the street or whatever, it's like, here's some trash for you now. Like, what? Anyway, hopefully I can find some cool things at thrift stores to alleviate my moral kind of dilemma here. I'm in a bit of a pickle. And it's not a good pickle. It's like an old one that's like swimming in water. I don't like it. From this Goodwill, picked up this Made in Mexico mirror, as you can see right here. Really nice mirror, $22 out the door. I'm actually gonna throw it in the booth right now for around 90, 95 bucks, which will actually end up netting me around 58 bucks on the mirror once all said and done with commission and everything. So that's not too bad. I'll put the mirror in the booth like right now. Let's get this mirror and this tag inside. Boom, there's the mirror. Still haven't sold the chairs yet, but this will probably, you know, 3 to 4 weeks. I imagine one or all will be gone. All right, see you later, mirror. Time to go thrift some more. So from that Goodwill, I was in there just on a whim. I'm about to go do some work at a coffee shop. Found these for 17 bucks. These are some La Sportiva TC Pros. Really good condition, right? And nice little sharp edge there on the rock climbing shoe. Very good brand. A little bit more of like a high top looking rock climbing shoe. Believe it or not, in this size, which is 12 I think, you could probably get somewhere between 120 and 150 for these things. There are a lot more solds on eBay than there are available on eBay, so it's a great kind of thing to notice, you know, when you're looking at solds. And I really do think somewhere between 120 and 150 for those shoes. Pretty nice. They are my size though. Ooh, I don't know. Nah, I gotta sell them. I gotta sell them. All right, later on in the night, someone's gonna pick this up. It's a PS1 with a bunch of games, nothing crazy. I've actually owned this thing for quite a while. Listing it for 40 bucks. Got a couple sticky controllers. Some of the games are scratched and stuff like that. So 40 bucks. I'm gonna get this thing out of here. Pretty cool. And there's one memory card on it as well. Not too bad, right? He's not here yet, but he'll be coming soon. All right, time to sell this thing. All right, got 4 really crisp $10 bills here. Got it sold. Not bad. All right, we'll see what sells tomorrow. It's kind of late at night, but my neighbors were out, so if you're wondering, like, why do you do that? That's like really crazy and like, you know, you're nuts, but there were people outside, like right across the street, so it wasn't a big deal. Okay, so from thrifting like a day after that, just barely thrifting, I found these cool mountain khaki pants. I went like at nighttime to a Goodwill or two. Found these mountain khaki. These are Jackson Hole twill pants. They're really nice, and you can tell mountain khakis and cool kind of pants. They have triple stitching. A lot of Prana products have triple stitching as well. But these are very tough pants. I paid like hardly anything. I paid like $5 for these things at a Goodwill. They've probably been used one time, and it's probably worth around 50 to 60 bucks. So that's not too bad. On other news, I thrifted yesterday, just randomly. Found this Better sweater. That's the name by Patagonia. This is $6. This Better sweater should sell for around 60 or 70 bucks. So it's made by Patagonia. It's a full zip. The Better sweater does come in hooded versions and quarter zip versions as well, and vests. So it's pretty nice. It's almost like, it's hard to describe because this kind of fabric is a little fleecy, right? And it's also kind of normal looking on the outside. So this should sell for around, I don't know, about 70 bucks, I would think. 60 to 70 for sure. The whole garment sold, which is nice. Remember that thing from the other vlog? Here we go. It's the Courtney Love band called Whole. Boom, there it is. That thing sold for 45 bucks. That was like $3 at a Salvation Army. And this morning also something else sold. Oh, those rock climbing shoes, the TC Pros or whatever, they sold for $130. So those are in my car, ready to get shipped out. Something I found today at a Goodwill, and this usually sells within about a week, this brand. So check this out. This is a Maxpedition, right? Not something you find every day, but still a really good bags to bucks kind of secret bag. This is a sling bag, large one. Maxpedition right here, hard use gear. This thing's mint condition sling because we can see there's obviously one strap, and then there's something that comes around the waist that comes up to the strap up here. But it's kind of like that Timbuktu kind of bag style, and it's nice, has some molly straps, all that, and a place for a big water bottle. This thing was $13 today, and it probably will resell for around $1 to $120, I believe, if everything goes right. So it's in good condition. It was a no-brainer. And yeah, that one I'm going to take pictures of right now, and the Better sweater, and get those listed. Got to go to the post office at some point today to drop that stuff off. But one last thing I want to leave you guys with is that starting on Monday, so Monday is the 20th, and for 5 days, all right, I'm going to be putting a guide a day at half off, with the last day, or maybe the first day, being the final kind of discount, which is a really good deal on all 6 guides. I think it's 6 guides. Anyway, I think it's 6 guides. Anyway, so go check that out. If you're part of my email list, or if you check out my Instagram, you'll kind of know what's going on. If you do want to be part of my list, really important, then make sure you get the free guide, which is right here. It's the first link down below that automatically puts you on the list, and that way you can kind of see all the cool promotions and everything like that. But my goal from the 20th to like the 25th, possibly even the 26th, is to put a guide, one guide for sale for 24 hours each day, like a ridiculous sale. So check out that kind of stuff. If you're looking to pick up one of the guides or all of them, there's going to be a day between those days where it's going to be a ridiculous deal, and it's only going to be for 24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment down below and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.